Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge, problem number 1472, design browser history. So this is a really simple problem to solve and it can be solved using multiple ways like using a stack, an array, a singly linked list or a doubly linked list. But I'm gonna use array today for this tutorial because that was the easiest implementation I could have think of. So what we have to do is we have to basically mimic down the exact browser history functionality where you have a browser history. Okay, browser history is a class, but basically they have defined, and you have to keep on adding to the pages which you are visiting uh, into the history, browser history, and this is one of the most important line. I'll explain you what exactly this means. So, for example, if you are at a certain page, let's say you are at facebook.com. You clicked on the back button and you headed towards leetcode.com. But from LeetCode, then you opted for going to some other website. Let's say Google.com. Okay. So now your Facebook.com is no more relevant. Okay. So for example, now when you will go back to LeetCode and click on the next page, you will be navigated towards Google.com and not Facebook.com. I'll show you the figure which will better explain the scenario. And this was the important scenario in the whole question. And we have back function and a forward function. So in back, you will be given steps and you have to move back these number of steps if possible. If not, you will return the last value, which you can go to. In forward as well, you will get a integer number called steps, which will indicate how many steps forward you have to move. And if you are getting out of bound with this, you will return the maximum you can go to. Okay. So let's check out an example. What exactly this particular piece of line meant. So let's say you were first at leetcode.com. Okay. Then you move to Google, then Facebook, and then YouTube. Okay. But from YouTube, you decided to go back to the Facebook. Okay. And now after Facebook, you thought, okay, let's open LinkedIn first. Okay. So now this heading will change, and when you'll get back to Facebook again and go to the next page, it will basically point to your LinkedIn page, and YouTube will be just gone. YouTube will be just gone. Okay, there will be no link to the YouTube.com. So yeah, this is the scenario. Let's check out the test cases. Oh, sorry, let's write the code. Just a sec. Okay, so first we need to initialize the objects which we'll be using in the browser history. And for that, I'm going to use array, right? So let's name it self.visited. And initially, it has home page in it. Next is I want to always keep a track of which page I'm currently at. So this will basically store the index of the current page. So current page index at this moment is 0. And I do want to have one more variable called number of pages visited. So this will basically represent the number of pages I have visited right now at the moment. And I would initialize it with 0 so that it will help us in easing the calculations in the further steps or in the down the system. Next comes the visit function, in which we wanted to update this visited array with all the latest pages we are visiting, right? So for that, first I'll check if my self dot current index is less than self dot number of pages visited. So this is the case where where we saw that the pointer got changed from YouTube to LinkedIn, right? In the example. So if this is the scenario, then what I'll be doing, I'll be removing all the I'll be replacing all the elements after my current index, and your number of pages visited will get equal to your current page index. Okay. And if not, we will be simply just adding self dot visited up for appending instead, appending the new URL into the visited page in visited array. We will increment the number of pages count with one, and we will update your current page index sorry, with number of pages visited. Okay, so this is done. Next comes your back function. So in back, what you'll do, you will basically change your current page index with maximum of, either you can go to zero, like this is your lower bound, or you can check current page minus number of steps. Whichever will be greater, your current page index will get changed to that, and you will return the value from visited visited array. Sorry. Okay. Similarly for forward, what you will do, you will check the minimum of your upper bound, which is the number of pages visited. This is your upper bound. Sorry, and current page plus steps, and you will again return the index. Okay. So this was the complete code. Let's check out the test cases. Yeah. So the test case got clear. Let's a bit for further evaluation. And awesome. So the solution got accepted, and I would say we performed really well. Like we outperformed 88.31% of some solutions. Yeah. Thanks, guys, for watching out the video, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.